Friends, this video is running at 75% of the normal speed. That means it is running in a slow motion. I have deliberately made it slow so that you can give inputs about how and when the rent occurred. So the main incision is made. Everything is going fine. You can see this is a nice cataract, grade 3 nuclear sclerosis, very good for direct chop, and I have planned direct chop in this case. The side port is made on the left side of the main incision, about 3 clock hours away, and now capsular axis is to be done. This is the stereo coaxial illumination having beautiful red glow. The anticapsule is punctured. The capsular tag is guided anti-clockwise all around, and we get a very nice about 5 mm rhexis. Now, very important step, hydrodissection. Rent may occur in this stage. This is the first flow, this is another flow, this is third flow. So these 3 flows, I don't know whether this is caused the rent itself. Probably on flow is good enough in hydrodissection, but still I am not sure whether the rent has occurred or not. And just go in with the hand piece. The chopper is in the left hand. Some superficial cortical lens matter is removed. Bury the tip in the substance. The nucleus is rotating freely. Bury the tip at the substance of the nucleus and chopped. Again held and chopped. Now this piece is emulsified and the tip is at the center. It doesn't look the rent has occurred yet. This seminucleus is chopped into 2 fragments, and one fragment is emulsified. At this time I have some doubt something has happened, and here I see a huge rent. So the vitreous has not come yet in the anterior chamber. I probably should not have come out like this anyway. I have to manage it in with antivitrectomy and place the lens in the sulcus. Please give your own inputs, how it happened, when it happened. Thank you very much for your attention.